Sparks of the electrical revolution ignited the engine of human development. The efficient operation of electricity creates the sparkling life of mankind. Fudar creates exquisite products with science and technology to make life more shining and the world more integrated. With the mission of small materials change the big world, Fudar is determined to serve the country by drawing up a grand blueprint to build a new industrial system of one main, two wings, and one expansion around the core of the electrical contact industry, activating a growth engine with complementary advantages and a virtuous cycle, which will drive the rise of China's high-end manufacturing industry. Electrical contact materials are composed of silver, gold, copper, tin, zinc, nickel, tungsten, and various other materials used to connect, carry, and break electric currents, acting as the heart of electrical apparatus. It is the key point of operations of electrical power networks. Driven by innovation, Fudar focuses on key technologies of electrical contact materials and has established a first-class R&D and testing platform in the field, with more than 100 authorized patents and participation in the revision of many national and industrial standards. Relying on advanced metal processing, as well as brazing and welding technology and sound quality management system, Fudar promotes the componentized supply of contact materials to significantly improve product quality and delivery efficiency. Fudar has three categories of products: silver-based alloy contact materials, bimetal contacts, and contact assemblies, which cover a comprehensive range of low-voltage applications and are widely used in various types of electrical control and protection apparatus, providing complete electrical contact system solutions with high customer recognition worldwide. In the field of new energy vehicles, contact rivet with high rush current withstand capacity can significantly improve charging efficiency and motor performance. In the field of rail transit, super high plasticity silver alloy contact tips with excellent fracture resistant performance guarantee the smooth flow of high-speed trains. In the field of data center, silver tungsten carbide material with extremely high dispersion has super high arc resistance performance and ensures the power supply. In the field of communication, gold-plated micro profiles with extremely low contact resistance ensure the reliable operation of communication facilities. Where there is electricity, there are Fudar products, giving social and economic development a surge of power. Precious metals are called industrial vitamins in modern society, implementing the theory of two mountains and contributing to carbon peaking and carbon neutrality goal. In 2017, Fudar began the recycling of precious metal materials with the industry's advanced low content insoluble substance filtration technology, high salt wastewater harmless treatment technology, and nitrogen oxide resource utilization technology, making the precious metal recovery process green and low carbon while reducing consumption and significantly improving recovery purity. By taking advantage of its high purity precious metal resources, Fudar develops precious metal powders with ultra-fine particle size and ultra-high dispersion characteristics, which are widely used in aerospace, 3D printing, 5G communication, electronic information, photovoltaic power generation, electric materials, and other fields, allowing precious metals to play a greater value. In response to the strategy of Made in China 2025 and the development trend of Internet Plus, Fudar focuses on production process automation and intelligent manufacturing system to vigorously promote the development of the flexible, intelligent manufacturing industry. With modularity as its design concept, Fudar has developed a series of independent core technological advantages with comprehensive solution capabilities, independently implementing a large number of successfully integrated projects with good application results. The next step will be to comprehensively expand the application fields of low-voltage electrical appliances, computers, communications, consumer electronics, machine processing, and other industries to help the transformation and upgrading of the Chinese manufacturing industry. Following the trend and laying out the future, Fudar focuses on the 6 metal elements of the platinum family, focusing on cultivating new energy materials, precious metal functional materials, and other strategic emerging industries to create high value-added, high-tech new material products. Looking to the future, Fudar will focus on the 3 key statements of 1 meter wide, 100 meters deep, specialized, refined, differential, innovative, and 100 years Fudar, striving to be the #1 in the segmented industries and to become a global leader in the overall solution of electrical contact system. Where the world looks to China, China looks to Zhejiang, and Zhejiang looks to Fudar.